Altrad RMD Kwikform are working on the site in Birmingham, building the viaduct that will bring high-speed trains into the city centre. We're laying foundations, supplying moulds to shape the concrete and securing the structures to the ground. It's a pretty big job. I'm 100% proud to be delivering for the local community on HS2. Most of the major projects that I've worked on to date have been in and around London. So to bring that new energy and investment closer to home is great for the local lad, as I'm from Wolverhampton myself. I used to look at the Curzon Street station building, thinking what's going to happen around the place, all this vacant land around it. Fast forward a few years now, and there's going to be the new station built here as well. So the horizon is going to be changing completely, and it's going to benefit us and future generations to come. Professionally, it's great to be working on the HS2. It's the biggest construction project going on in Europe. I've got to meet people from different backgrounds and experience levels, working together to solve problems. I think we've become a family. We spent so much time together over the past couple of years. But I'm glad to say that we've risen to the challenge. So a lot of the work happens on site where we do come out and be proactive. But prior to that, we've got many teams back in the head office in Aldridge, where a lot of the work happens as well.
We've been based in the Black Country here in Aldridge since the 1960s. You can see that it's a really foggy day. The equipment around us you can see has been prepared, ready to go to HS2, and we'll be going there over the coming weeks. Over the years we've been involved in many major projects around the world, but it's absolutely brilliant to be involved in a project so local to us, and that's going to help grow the West Midlands. People will walk around the region, travel into Birmingham on the train, drive around and see the progress that's been made, and it gives everybody a sense of pride to know that they're involved in delivering that project. It's fair to say, like most businesses, we've been impacted by the pandemic, and there's still a great deal of uncertainty around construction generally at the moment. HS2 has allowed us to get back to 2019 levels of trading, so pre-pandemic. The size and scale of HS2 gives us a reason to be really optimistic. We can plan ahead now for 5 to 10 years knowing that the work is there for us.
After leaving the British Army after 15 years, I found it quite hard then to find work. I'd been refused from lots of different places, and then Altrad RMD Kwikform gave me a chance. And I've gone through team leader, foreman, and now I'm Operations Supervisor. A lot of my job role is dealing with HS2 on a daily basis. I'll go around checking all the equipment, making sure it's ready, on time. I'll make sure everything's tested, packed right, so when HS2 receive it on site, it's all there and correct. I've been involved in lots of things in my life, but this is probably the most major one now, because this is what everybody will remember. It's there and it's infrastructure in the country, so I think this is probably my proudest time in my career yet.
The success we've had on HS2 has allowed us to invest back into the business. It's allowing us to recruit more people from the local area, train and develop our people, and the experience they're getting on such a major project will only stand them in good stead for the future.